Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use System.io to build a complete sales funnel from scratch. This is not just an overview of features, we'll actually create a real funnel step by step. So, System.io is popular because it combines page building, email marketing, automation and selling tools in one platform, which makes it perfect for beginners, solopreneurs and online business owners. So, let's get into our topic. Navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar and type in system.io. Now, click on system.io links and it will take you to this page. Here, click on Start for free at the top. Enter your email address, click Get My Free Account, and on the next steps, you'll have to basically enter your email, mobile number, verify it using OTP, and you'll be on system.io dashboard. Here, you're going to see different things appearing at the top like dashboard, CRM, sites, emails, SMS, automation, assets, and sales. So, this dashboard is the control center of everything. From here, you can create funnels, send emails, manage contracts, sell products, and automate your business. At first, it may look a little busy, but once you understand the structure, it becomes very simple. The most important section for us today is funnels, because that's where our sales process will live. So, we'll get into creating our sales funnel. Simply click on the sites option at the top and click sales funnel just right here. We have different options available, but since we are going to only focus on sales funnel creation, we are going to click this, and here you will see the list of funnels that you will have created. So I haven't created any funnels. I'll click on the plus create option at the top. Now, you'll have to enter the name of your sales funnel. Now, make sure you have added a funnel domain. If you want to remove it, click on cut and enter your own domain if you have any. So, your system.io account subdomain will always be active. You can choose it to be your funnel's domain at any stage. However, if you want to add a customized links to your funnel, you will need to connect a custom domain from your account setting beforehand. So, you can click on this question icon and click connect a custom domain. Here, you can easily connect a custom domain by following these steps shown on this page. Now, you'll have to choose your funnel goal, whether you want to build an audience through which you can collect email addresses and build your email list, or you want to sell a product or service, or you want to build custom funnel from scratch, or you want to run evergreen webinars to automate your business. So, I will choose, for example, build an audience. Now, you can choose your currency, click this, and you can search for any currency that you want. You can simply type in the currency that you want and click save. After you click save, your funnel will be created. Now, click on this three-dotted icon and click view. Now, you'll have to simply click on sites, click website, and here click create. Here, name your website anything you want, enter the domain name and choose your language, then click save. After you click save, you can easily choose a template for your sales funnel. So, you can build from scratch by choosing this one and click save, but we are going to click choose a template. Now, here we'll simply choose a good template. For example, I will select this one and click save. After you do this, a website will be instantly created for your sales funnel. Now, you can easily edit it here. So this opens the System.io page editor, and this editor works on drag and drop system, which means everything you see on a screen can be clicked, edited or replaced, just like any normal Shopify page builder or Wix website builder. So simply select any one of these and you can choose the font size to be smaller or larger, then choose the line height. You can choose font type, select it from just right here, select a new font. You can choose the styling, the letter spacing, and you can also click on text background color and choose a new color if you want any, or just click clear and remove it. You can also change the text size and position, item visibility, and much more. So this is basically a page editor where you can edit your landing page for your sales funnel. Now, you can also click any text and here you can enter a new text like your website's name, change the typography. Now, you can also select any image you want to replace, cut it out, and simply click on this icon, choose click to upload, and select a new image for your page. For example, I selected an image, it will be instantly uploaded here, and I will click on insert. Now, this new image has been inserted. You can also select the image and add a media, video, audio, or carousel. I can also click on any empty area on the page and choose to add text just by dragging it here, or I can also drag a headline, bullet list, content box, or anything. For example, if I want to upload a video, I will select video, drag and drop it here, and now it gives me a space for uploading a video. I can simply click this delete icon and remove this, or if I would want to change the video, click settings, choose whether you want this to be a direct link, custom embed, or you want to upload a video file. Now click this, click to upload and choose a video from your PC. Now, after you do these, you can click on save and your page will be instantly saved. Now, you can also choose pop-ups and edit the pop-ups, style and settings for your page. You can change the website name, main language, website language and much more. So after doing this, we'll click save and click exit at the top right. Now we have successfully edited our landing page. So you can edit your landing page anyhow you prefer. For example, you can add simple text like get free marketing guide to grow your online business. You can add an email input box, make sure it's connected to collect visitors email address and do any customizations as per you want. Once you'll be satisfied with the design, just click save and get back to this page. Now we'll move to the email side of system.io. If I click emails icon and choose campaigns, it will show me this page where I can click create, enter the name of my campaign, enter the sender email address and enter the description, then click save. But before doing that, you'll have to click on this icon, click create here to add or verify a new email and here add an email address. So simply click here, enter the email, click save. Now simply verify this email address by navigating to Gmail. Simply open the email address here and simply click the link. Now click confirm and your email will be successfully confirmed. Now we'll get back to our page and once you refresh it, you will see that the verification for that email will be verified. Now we'll get back to the page where we had to create the email campaign. We'll click sender email address. Now after you click email, then campaign and then create, you'll have to name this campaign, enter the sender email address, the description, and inside the campaign, you'll have to click create email and write a simple welcome email. Explain that this email delivers the free guide and introduces the brand or product. Now keep the email conversational, not salesy. Then save it. Next, create a second email that will be sent one day later. This email provides additional value and gently introduces a product or service. Now, you'll have to connect the funnel to an email campaign. Go back to the funnel settings. Now, you'll have to simply navigate to sites and click websites. Click three-dotted icon after it and click settings. Get back to the funnel settings. So open the landing page settings by clicking on settings icon and here in the automation rule, add a rule that says when someone subscribes, subscribe them to free guide follow-up campaign. This means every person who enters their email in the funnel will automatically start receiving our email sequence. This is where system.io becomes powerful because everything is connected without needing any third-party tools. You can also click on automation and choose rules and do it from just right here. Click create and here choose the trigger that you want. For example, tag, funnel, and you'll have a list of triggers. Add any automation, add the action, click save rule and your automation will be updated. Now, you'll have to go to automation and show how rules work. For example, if I create a rule that says when a user open email number 2, add a tag call interested, this will allow you to track behavior and later send different offers to different types of user. So this is where system.io becomes powerful because everything is connected without needing any third-party tools. So in the automation, you can click create, add a trigger, for example, plus. Now choose how you want the action to be triggered. For example, if someone enrolls in your course, now choose a course. If you don't have any, simply add it from the assets. Then choose an action. For example, if someone enrolls in your course, you can subscribe them to your campaign, send an email or a message or your landing page. Then click save rule after adding the email and course and you would have successfully created an automation. It's pretty simple here. Now, you can also navigate to CRM, choose contacts, tags, pipeline and add it from just right here. You can also navigate to creator stories and add creator stories so people can be motivated to subscribe to your blog or any page you have. You can click blogs and add it from just right here. Click create, enter the name, domain name, URL, add a template or you can build it from scratch, then click save and you would have created your blog. You can edit it just how I've shown you to edit the landing page. Now, you can also choose SMS templates, the statistics or assets and choose whether you want to add physical products, coupons, courses or communities on your sales funnel. After you do these, you can easily open the funnel link in a new browser, enter a small test email address, submit the form and land on the thank you page. Then you can go to the email inbox and see that the welcome email arrives correctly. This will confirm that the page works. The email system works, and the automation is connected properly. This step is very important because it proves funnel is not designed, it actually functions. You can also add another funnel, a steps for sales page, connect a payment system, and turn the same funnel into revenue machine. System.io allows you to sell courses, membership, coaching, and digital products directly from the same funnel system. So System.io is one of the best tools for beginners because it combines page building, email marketing, automation, and selling into one simple platform. You don't need multiple subscription or complicated integrations to get started. The biggest advantage is simplicity. You can build a complete online business system without technical knowledge. It's also very affordable compared to many competitors, which makes it perfect for startups and solopreneurs. The downside is customization. So while System.io is powerful, very advanced marketers may feel limited compared to platforms like ClickFunnels. Combined with external email tools, the design freedom is good but not limited. So, who should use System.io? It's ideal for beginners, coaches, course creators, affiliate marketers, and small business owners who want simple all-in-one marketing system without technical headaches. And if you're just starting online or want to simplify your tools, System.io is an excellent choice. Now you know exactly how to build a sales funnel using System.io from scratch. So that's how you do it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.